Hi babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'd like for you to subscribe, and I would like for you to also click the notification bell at the top so you can get an update on whenever I post any new content. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how I get this look. This is a 12-inch bob from AliPearl, and I want you guys to stay tuned. The hair that I'm going to be using today is from AliPearl. This video is not sponsored, so any things that I say about this hair would be true. I'm just going to unbox it to show you. I got a 12-inch deep wave bob. The hair, I'm going to show you there in a minute. I'm just going to show you what comes in the box. It comes with a satin wrap. This is huge. I'm probably going to cut this in half, just being honest. It comes with 2 stocking caps, and it comes with a satin bag for the wig. Oh, they have their logo on it. Satin bag for the wig. And it comes with a card on how to take care of your hair. So, I'm going to just show you guys the wig. Just take that net off of it. This is a short number. I've never done short curly hair like this. This is the first for me. It looks really nice. The lace feels pretty soft, and you know, I think it'll match. It looks skin toned more or less. It's like a brown tint or like a medium brown, but it matches my skin. So let's go in and put this on my head. So usually when I put on my wig, my hair is usually cornrowed back, but right now I don't have it done like that. This is my natural hair. It's just been blown out, and I'm just going to take it, put it up on top because it's pretty flat, and take the stocking cap. So now I'm going to go in my Kartier spray. Spray in my edges. Well, and then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer. I actually forgot a step. I'm supposed to put little holes in the little earpiece. So now I'm gonna go in my Kartier spray again, and I'm just gonna spray. Then I'm gonna put my lace. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut off the excess lace on the sides of my hair to help this lay a bit better. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my razor and take off the excess lace. So I'm gonna go back in with some more Got2b spray, and then I'm gonna tie my hair down. Okay, now I'm gonna take this silk wrap off my head. So now I'm gonna just pull out the hairs. I'm gonna use this baby hair. I am no professional. I'm just, you know, doing my hair like I normally just do it. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and tie my hair back up. Then I'm gonna do my makeup and show you the final product after I already wet this a bit and put a little bit of foam on it. But the baby hairs are down. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so I did my makeup off camera. I'm gonna do a get ready with me soon so you guys can see how I do my makeup. It took me maybe 15 minutes or something. Now I'm gonna take this scarf off my head. Okay, and I'm gonna put some powder on my forehead. Okay, now I'm gonna style this wig. Like, when I put my makeup on, you see it already, like, it already looks like I'm ready to go. Okay. Take my hot comb, and plus I'm going to use some wax on the front of it to help it lay down in the front. Like I said, I don't think I want to put an actual part in it. I think I just want to make it look like it's giving Scalpiana vibes. So I'm just going to just flat iron it. I mean, not flat iron it, hot comb it a bit. And I think I'm gonna add, no, I know, I'm gonna add some mousse. Okay. Not too much, but just some. I don't want it to look too wet. And probably no mousse to the roots of it, so it can still have the volume as well. This hair is really cute. You're gonna have sizzle. Okay. Like I told you, I don't want it too wet. This hair is so cute. I know it's gonna look good, but I didn't know it was gonna look this good. Oh, she's a bob. I don't gotta cut it or nothing. You see it? I'm gonna take some bio soap, just to add a little bit of shine to it. Not too much. It has a little bit of tiny bit of shedding, but that's my own fault because I tweezed it just now. So, man, y'all see this? Like, it's a whole vibe going on here. Baby, let me see how we look with the part. Like, is a part even necessary? I don't really like putting parts into my hair. I like it to look au natural, but I'll put a part. Side part. I'm gonna add some concealer to the part. Oh man, you have outdone yourself. This is so cute. The code word for today is vibe, because this is a vibe. Okay, I got you on my face. Okay, so I added the concealer off camera and it is a look like. What? Okay. So I'm going to leave whatever I use in the description box below, and I'm going to do a review on this hair after, you know, maybe a month or so. Of course I'm not going to wear it for the entire month. I'm just going to wear it, take it off, try it again, see how it gives. I'm going to tell you if it sheds a lot, I'm going to tell you if it tangles, but for now, no tangling, minimal shedding, and that's because I used the tweezer. So yep. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. I just can't keep my hands out of my hair. It's so gorgeous, but you know, with curly hair, you have to keep your hands out of it or it's gonna get poofy like this. So thanks you guys again for watching. Cause baby, what? Who? Cause baby. Baby. Cause baby. You see it. Who let me on YouTube? Oh my god. Cause baby.